Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a flash sale for your store, right? So the first thing you got to do is log into your store, right, and key in flash sales in the search box, okay? Or just flash, and then click the flash sales link that appears in the results. So there are a few ways to search for products which you like to put on sale, right? You can key in the PID, the name, or you can search via category. In this case, I know which category it's from. It's the hampers. Click search, right? And these are the two products I would like to put on sale. Now they're not activated until you check the box or you place a price, a flash sale price. Now, you gotta give a really good discount if you want to put a product on flash sale, because you got to remember, people usually buy or are attracted to flash sales if the price is right. Okay, so you got to give a hefty discount, probably 30% or more. It's got to be in a very short duration, so you can create urgency, and it's got to be in a limited units. Usually, from what I see, the higher the discount, the fewer the units on sale, right? Because I once bought a TV at like 660 ringgit discount, but there were only 3 units on sale. So that created the urgency. People were actually waiting for the flash sale, okay? Right? And I was one of the lucky ones to get that offer. Okay, so for this example, I'm gonna put it at 100 bucks, right? That's 33% off, and maybe this, I'm gonna give it maybe 249, right? So it's activated, as you can see, automatically. Next, I gotta pick a duration, right? Start date, end date. So 17. Let me just pick. Okay, so the time. Let's begin maybe in a couple of minutes, right? So 17, and I'm gonna pick, say, 20, right? This is an example, so it's no issue. And also 17th, but let's make it last a few minutes, 5 minutes. That will do. Okay, for this example, save changes. Okay, you can check the products here, right? Okay, you can modify if you want, you can delete it if you want. Okay, I'm just going to publish this, and then I'm going to go to the flash sales link, which is this flash underscore sale.cfm. okay, right? So it's not activated yet. Oh, sorry, activated, but it's not time yet. Okay, you can still go and check it out if you want, make changes if you still have time, right? Okay, 17:20, another 1 minute, and it should be done. Okay, so you'd like to know how to add that flash sale link to the page. Just copy this. All right, just go to design, layout, right? Click this area, right? Of course, this won't exist, so you gotta click a new one. Let's call it test, right? See appear here, and then you place the link in, and that's it. All right, and you click save. In this case, I'm not going to click save because I already have a flash sale link in existence. Okay, and cancel this. I'm going to go back here, and yeah, there you go. It's 5:20, and a flash sale has started, and customers have 5 minutes to get their hands on these products. All right, okay, that's it. See you in the next video.